Today we're going to be taking a look at this Glarry 5-string bass guitar. Now this is an affordable option for beginners and experienced players alike who want quality sound, great durability, and a complete starter package. Okay, so first off, let's talk about the build quality of this Glarry bass. It features a basswood body, a maple neck, rosewood fretboard, and it has a smooth glossy finish here on the body. This basswood is actually known for its lightweight and a good solid tone, making it a perfect choice for beginners who maybe aren't used to holding a heavy bass guitar over their shoulders.
Basswood.
Also, it has a lot of stability in it as far as the balance of it. It's very well balanced. Now, with the maple neck and the rosewood fretboard, together they provide a smooth, comfortable playing experience, ideal for long practice sessions. In fact, it seems like Glarry really put a lot of thought into comfort when they built this bass. Okay, now let's get into the sound quality of this bass. The Glarry 5-string has 2 single coil pickups, which give you plenty of options for tonal ranges. And you also have 2 volume and 2 tone control knobs as well that help to shape your sound. Whether you're playing pop, rock, or funk, you're going to have lots of options here. Plus, this extra B string opens up a lot of lower bass tones, which is fantastic for those who are looking to get a deeper, richer sound. So here's a quick sound demo of the various tones that you can get. So this is everything all the way up. Okay, I'm going to start rolling off some of these tone knobs here. Now, as someone who's obviously not a bass player, as you can tell, it's very easy to play. Now, usually when you buy a bass in this price range, you're going to deal with, hand fatigue a lot because it wasn't set up properly, or you're going to be cutting your fingers with the frets that are protruding from the sides. That's not the case with this bass. In fact, it looks like that the QA department was really working overtime on this because all of the frets are perfectly polished. None of them are hanging over the sides. And the way that the neck is actually built, it's got a smaller width. So for someone like me that has smaller hands, it makes it a great option as well because I can actually reach all of the frets. I don't feel like that my hand is getting overly fatigued any faster. Now, speaking of frets, this is a 24 fret bass. The steel strings that are provided give a comfortable touch to your fingers, so you don't have to rush out and buy a new set of bass strings either. However, some flat wounds on this I think would sound a lot better and even feel a lot better. Now, moving on to the hardware is enclosed tuners that are very good for wear resistance. They help to keep your bass in tune longer because they're closed back. You won't get a lot of dirt and grime in there. This is great for beginners who don't want to worry about tuning constantly. And it also has a fixed bridge with slotted saddles to help transfer string vibrations efficiently, as well as to give you that maximum resonance and sustain. Likewise, because of the way that the saddle is built, it also makes it easy to set up your intonation. Now, for someone who is a beginner, this is also a great option as well because it actually comes with a full starter kit. So you get a strap, you get a cable, a pick, and you get all the instruments that you need to make the adjustments on the bass guitar itself. Likewise, you also get a pretty durable gig bag that you can sling over your shoulder and take with you to gigs. Right, so there you have it. The Glarry 5-string bass guitar is definitely an affordable, well-built instrument with quality sound and a complete set of accessories. So whether you're a beginner or you're an experienced player looking for a backup bass, this model offers a lot for the price that you're going to get it at. If you're interested in purchasing this bass guitar after this review, please check the link in the description. That is an affiliate link, and at no extra cost to you, you can help to support the channel with something that you'll be purchasing anyway. All right, well, I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you're feeling so inclined, even hit that bell notification so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Remember that we can dream alone, we can even create alone, but together, we can achieve so much more.